Hello everyone, I am Aparna, your host for today's 555th episode of Here and Now, where we talk about the recent happening in the insurance industry. Let's discuss the latest news and important updates from the insurance world. Our first story today from the Financial Express highlights some major shifts in the insurance landscape following GST rationalization. Our very own Dr. Tapan Singhal, MD and CEO of Bajaj General Insurance, confirms that the industry is committed to passing on the full benefits to policyholders. With GST on health retail policies reduced to zero, customers will see an immediate 18% drop in premiums for the new purchases and renewals from September 22 onwards. This move is expected to make health insurance significantly more affordable, encouraging wider adoption across households. While insurers will no longer be able to claim input tax credit, impacting costs by 3 to 8%, Dr. Singhal believes the net gain for customers far outweighs this. The industry plans to absorb this cost through operational efficiency, tech-driven solutions, and stronger collaboration across the value chain. Distributors will remain vital in expanding insurance access. As for motor insurance, the link between GST cuts and auto sales remains to be seen. However, any rise in the vehicle purchases will naturally boost insurance uptake. Together, these developments signal a more financially secure and resilient India. Moving on, our next story from the Hindu business line highlights a landmark healthcare initiative in Andhra Pradesh. The state cabinet has approved the universal health policy aimed at providing free quality treatment to nearly 5 crore residents. Under this ambitious program, insurance companies will offer coverage ranging from Rs 2.5 lakh to Rs 5 lakh, while the NTR Vaidya Seva Trust will extend benefits up to Rs 25 lakh for below poverty line families. A total of 3,257 healthcare services will be covered, ensuring comprehensive medical support across the state. One of the standout features of the policy is the swift approval process. Patients will receive treatment clearance within 6 hours of hospitalization. To ensure smooth implementation, a control room will be established to monitor service delivery and manage resources efficiently. This sweeping reform marks a significant step towards inclusive healthcare and reflects the state commitment to building a healthier, more equitable future. Moving on, our next story from the Kashmir horizon highlights the urgent relief measures being rolled out for flood-affected farmers in Jammu under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana or PMFBY. Director Agriculture Jammu visited the RS Pura subdivision to assess crop damage caused by relentless rains and landslides. Accompanied by officials from the Agriculture Department and Bajaj General Insurance, Gupta toured the affected villages, where he met with distressed farmers and reviewed the extent of agriculture loss. The expedite relief, the department has established 4 farmer registrations and grievance facilitation centers in Badiyal Brahmana, ensuring swift documentation and claim processing under PMFBY. He directed field teams to fast-track crop damage assessments and submit reports promptly. Additionally, he called for awareness camps across affected villages to educate farmers about their entitlements under PMFBY and the claim settlement processes. Further measures include mobilizing technical teams for on-ground assistance, distributing seeds and inputs, and offering expert guidance on crop restoration. These efforts aim to provide not just financial relief but also a pathway to recovery and resilience for the farming community. Our last story today from the Economic Times business vertical highlights IRDAI's firm stance on promoting a stable and transparent insurance ecosystem. The regulator is prioritizing promoter-driven, well-capitalized companies for insurance license, aiming to ensure long-term accountability and risk management. Startups with complex financial structures and venture-backed models are being steered toward distribution roles instead. IRDAI believes digital platforms can expand insurance reach without compromising underwriting integrity. This approach reflects the regulator's commitment to building a resilient reinsurance sector with clear governance and strong financial backing. That's all for today's episode of Here and Now. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye. Have a great weekend.